Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to hide distraction item in your iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. Apple has added a new features in iOS 18 and 18.1. If you are using latest iPhone, we will see that function is available, which is called hide distraction item, but that's only supported in Safari web browser. Anyway, let me jump over or open a Safari web browser, and let me jump to try to open any website. After opening any this or Apple website or any website, if you decide to hide any items, in particular a waiting time in when you visit or the current time you're visiting, and you would like to hide some items from the website, so for that you will see screen appear just like this. Down there is a icon, something. Simply click over there, and then you have to click here hide distracting items. So just simply click over there, a screen is going to appear. Now if you decide to hide anything from this web, you can simply say, for example, I would like to select this, and then I'm going to click here hide. Those going to be hide. Anyway, if I would like to hide this, so I just click touch over there, and then I'm going to click here hide, and there's particular page going to be hide. After done hide, you can click here done, and you can easily read the website. So in this simple way you can easily hide any distraction items from website whenever you try to read. But it might be for some website it might be work, or from some website it might be not work whenever you click refresh. So in this simple way you can easily hide restriction item in your iPhone. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.